episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got an exciting recipe coming at you tonight. We're going to do a 2-ingredient pizza dough. Alright, and we got another surprise. Let me get that stuff out of there. Now I know a couple weeks ago we did a contest. And we only had 3 people that actually entered the contest. We didn't hit 1,000 subscribers. But we did pick a random winner to receive a $50 Visa gift card. That winner is Top Pro 4Runner. So, go ahead and email me. We'll get a hold of you, get you this gift card. Because if you're close, we can deliver it. Maybe get you to hang out with us. Alright? But I'll be right back in a few minutes. Top Pro 4Runner, congratulations on your $50 gift card, buddy. Contact me in my email. I'll be right back. Hey guys, great to be back with you guys. You know, finally we're not on a total complete lockdown, but congratulations to our winner. That was a little surprise. Nobody knew I was going to do that. We didn't reach the goal, but you know what? What the heck. But we're going to do 2-ingredient pizza dough. Really simple. It's 2 cups. I'm going to double the recipe, okay? Recipe calls for 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of yogurt, just Greek plain yogurt. I'm going to make a double batch because it'll do a 16-inch pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 cups of flour in there. And this is, you know, self-rising flour. And I'm probably going to go ahead and make another dough after this one's done. But go ahead and at least get this started with 1 cup of yogurt. And, you know, this recipe I got off of somebody that I actually follow on YouTube. It was, you know, Shotgun Red. But Steve Hall, him and his lovely wife Sheila, they're awesome. We lost Steve a little bit ago, a while back. That'll be like, I guess, one dream that'll never get to happen, but because I always wanted to meet him. But we'll go ahead and we'll get 1 cup in there. And we'll go ahead and get this starting to, you know, mix together. Now we might have to sprinkle a little more flour in there as it gets going. But 2 ingredients. That's it. I think that's pretty cool. I have my own pizza dough that I use, but it's got like 15 ingredients. You know, Reaper and flour, not a good combination. Usually goes all over the place. I usually look like Casper. Uh-oh, Gunsy got butterfingers today, guys.
Sorry.
Bob gave me a heart attack. All right, let me slow this down for a second. That way I can scrape down the sides real quick. And what's great about this dough, you don't have to wait for hours. Let it rise for about 15 minutes. It's a done deal. All right. Might have to sprinkle a little more flour in there. Tasty. All right. Oh. Just give her a little sprinkle. See what I mean about flour? Oh, there I go. All right. Get this fire back up here. Just want to add enough flour to it until you start to see it, you know, forming a ball. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, we're going to crank her up a little higher. Just going to let it mix itself together. And maybe add just another sprinkle in there. Yeah, there we go. I think we're good there. A little tip for y'all. Best way to clean dough off your hands is with flour. Oh yeah, look at that. Starting to form a nice ball, pulling away from the sides. That's what we wanted. It'll get a little sticky. And we're going to throw a little more in there. All right, there we go. Feeding it right along. Still a little sticky. I might put it a little bit too much in there. But let me let this finish kneading up, folks. I'll see you in a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, as you can see, we had a little flour mishap. It's all good. Got our dough. Look at that, nice dough. Ah, smells good too. And I gotta say something. I got canola in there. I already sprayed it. But I gave you a recipe for a single batch, not a double batch. It's actually 4 cups of self-rising flour to 2 cups of yogurt. A single crust, 12-inch pizza, that would be 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1 cup of yogurt. But got our dough in the bowl. We're going to let it rise for about 15 minutes. And while this is rising, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make another dough. But I'll be back with you. We'll get this pizza going. Love you guys. Hey guys. Got our dough. It's risen up here. We're going to go ahead and get it pressed out. There's a number of ways you can do your dough. You can roll it out, pat it out, toss it around in the air, however you want to do it. Just couple ways you can do that. Toss it around like a pizza, or you can roll it out with a rolling pin or a wine bottle, whatever you prefer. Man, this dough smells good. Alright. Sort of light too. Alright. I gotta grab my pizza pan. Little guncher on the camera there. I already got my pan olive oiled up. We're just gonna sort of push this to the edge, folks. Push it to the edge. If there's a hole in it, patch it up. This is a 16-inch pan, which, by the way, you can get on eBay. $5. And this is a Pizza Hut pan. But we won't tell them that. Oh, wait. They might be watching. Oh, well. We're just going to go ahead and stretch this dough out real nice. Patch the holes, of course. Way to go, Reaper. Put a hole in the dough. It's all good. It's been a while since I made a pizza, as you can tell. Alright. Well, that looks good to me. We could have made a stuffed crust. The cat agrees. Alright. I'm going to throw this in my oven. It's at 450. Going to go ahead and throw some pizza sauce on here, which I actually have a recipe on site for pizza sauce. I was like, want some bacon or something on there, buddy? He was like, no, cheese and pepperoni. All right.
You could do half and half.
Yeah.
Half pepperoni and half bacon.
Half and half. All right. Easier to spread it around with a spoon. You don't have to flood your pizza with sauce, folks. But sauce is good. Alright. There's our sauce. I actually have a mixture of cheese I'm using. I'm using a mixture of Romano, Asiago, and mozzarella. I'm going to throw some pepperoni on there.
I want to eat the sauce. Smells good.
I love pepperoni. You guys, you can decorate your pizza, however you would like. I'm just going to throw some pepperoni on here. And cheese.
Should probably leave one slice for Jacqueline because she doesn't like
I have another dough.
Oh, yeah.
We'll just do a cheese one. We'll just get this one up first.
Yep.
Enough pepperoni for you or one more? Good?
Yes.
Alright. Now we'll take our cheese mixture. Domino's got nothing on the Reaper. Homemade sauce. Fresh grated cheese. How's that, buddy? Good?
Yep.
Alright, smell that Asiago. I love Asiago cheese on a pizza, guys. It's good stuff. Alright, we'll go ahead and zip this in the oven. We'll see you folks in a few. Hey guys, welcome back. Popping it off the old pan there, let it cool. Put it on to my other pizza pan. Because that one's hot. 450 to 500 degrees in the oven, you're good. Go ahead and get this baby cut up. Might not cut up too well in the pan here, but we'll give it a shot. Because I know little Gunchy there, he's a little hungry. And we'll just roll over, because we got the edges, so we'll just zoop over it with the cutter. It's like, Dad, come on, I'm hungry. All right, but again, top pro runner, top pro 4 runner. Don't forget to contact me. That way I can hook you up with your gift card. All right, there you are. 2 ingredient pizza dough, folks. Another episode of Cooking with a Reaper. I'd like to thank you for being here. God bless. Have a nice evening.